Rogers' 5G home internet relies on millimeter wave frequencies, which are susceptible to interference from walls and obstructions. First, restart your modem. This is the simplest and often most effective first step. Next, check your signal strength. Use the Rogers app or your router's dashboard to find this information. A strong signal is around 950 dm, while 90 dm is weak. Position your router near a window facing the nearest Rogers cell tower. You can find tower locations on Rogers' website, Coverage Maps. Elevate the router above ground level and away from metal objects. If you live in an apartment, place the router in a central location for balanced coverage. If your signal remains weak, consider using an external antenna to boost it. Remember that interference from microwaves or Bluetooth devices can also degrade the 5G signal. If signal and placement aren't the problem, the issue might be with your SIM card. Rogers' 5G home internet uses a SIM card for authentication. First, ensure the SIM card is securely inserted. Most models use a nano SIM. A SIM not recognized error usually indicates a problem here. If the SIM is properly inserted and you still have issues, the SIM card may be faulty. Contact Rogers customer service for a replacement. Rogers also provides self-diagnostic tools in their app for real-time signal and SIM checks. Keep in mind that while signal and placement are often user-fixable, SIM issues usually require Rogers' intervention. If problems persist after trying these steps, contact Rogers support for further assistance, as there may be a network issue in your area.